Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder Tanks with friends. First, launch the game and navigate to your friends list. From there, you can easily invite up to 3 friends to form a squad. Once your squad is assembled, you will all enter battles together, ensuring you are always on the same team. This setup is crucial for coordinated gameplay and maximizing your fun. When playing with friends, selecting the right game mode is key. Realistic battles offer a more strategic and immersive experience, perfect for coordinated tactics. Arcade battles, on the other hand, provide faster-paced action with quicker respawns, ideal for casual fun. Discuss with your squad which mode aligns best with your collective playstyle before queuing up for a match. Effective teamwork is paramount for success. Utilize voice chat or the in-game communication system to coordinate your actions. For instance, one player can provide cover fire while another attempts a flanking maneuver. Always share information about enemy positions and potential threats. Working together, you can overcome even the toughest opponents and secure victories more consistently. Playing War Thunder with friends not only enhances the fun, but also boosts your in-game rewards. Squad members receive a 10% bonus to both research points and silver lions earned in battle. Experiment with different vehicle types, like heavy tanks for pushing and light tanks for scouting, to find effective combinations. Enjoy the camaraderie and shared triumphs as you conquer the battlefield together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.